Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Srivastava. Please watch this video till the end. Subscribe me and press the bell icon. Today we are going to do the numericals on equation of motion of subject physics of class 9. So we are going to continue with the first question. So I'm writing the first question on the board. A car is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second and increases its speed, its velocity to 10 meter per second in 5 seconds. Find the acceleration. Find the acceleration and the distance covered. Distance covered during the journey. So this is our question. We are going to read the question once more, understand it, and we'll write the given things, and then we will do the question. So a car is moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. So the initial velocity u is 5 meter per second and increases its velocity to 10 meter per second. So the increased velocity, that is the final velocity, is 10 meter per second. Time is 5 seconds. Find the acceleration. So we have to find the acceleration. Also the distance moved, that is s. So we are applying the first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at. Substituting the values, V is 10, U is 5 plus A into 5. Dividing the whole equation by 5, we get 2 is equal to 1 plus A. So A is equal to 2 minus 1, so it is 1 meter per second square. So this is our acceleration from the first equation of motion. So now we are going to find the distance moved. So applying the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Substituting the value, that is 10 is squared equal to 5 square plus 2 into 1 into s. So s 2s is equal to 10 square minus 5 square. Applying a square minus b square formula, a plus b, a minus b. So it becomes 10 plus 5. It becomes 10 minus 5. So 2s is equal to 15 into 5. So now solving this equation, so s is equal to 75 upon 2. So it becomes 37.5 meters. So this is our answer. This is the distance moved by the body during the journey. So we can understand this once more. We have applied the third equation of motion. v square equal to u square plus 2as. Substituting the value 10 square equal to 5 square plus 2 into 1 into s. So 2s is equal to 10 square minus 5 square. 2s is equal to applying a square minus b square. So a plus b, a minus b. So it is 10 plus 5, 10 minus 5. So 2s is equal to 15 into 5. S is equal to 75 upon 2 equal to 37.5 meters. So this is our answer. I think you might have all understood this. So we are proceeding to the next question. So I am rubbing the board. A car starts from rest and moves five meter in 5 seconds. Find its final velocity and its acceleration. So this is our question. So we are going to start. We are going to understand the question, write the given things, and we'll do find the answer. A car starts from rest. So our initial velocity u is 0 and it moves a distance of 5 meters. So s is equal to 5 meter in 5 seconds. So time is 5 seconds. Find final velocity. So we have to find v and its acceleration, that is a. So applying the first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. So we have to find u is 0 plus acceleration. Also we have to find into time, that is 5. This is our first equation. Now we are applying the second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus half at square. Substituting the values, 5, u is 0, so it becomes 0 plus half into a into t square, that is 25. So this will become, this 5 cancels with this becomes 5. So the equation becomes, acceleration becomes 2 upon 5, that is equal to 0.4. So 0.4 meter per second square is the acceleration. So here substituting the value of acceleration in the first equation, so I'm rubbing the board here. So v is equal to, it will become 2 upon 5 into 5, 5 and 5 gets cancelled. So v is equal to 2 meter per second. So this is our final velocity. So this is the answer. So here we can understand it once more. U is 0, S is 5 meter, time was 5 seconds. V, we have to find the final velocity and the acceleration. Applying the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u is 0 plus a into time, that is 5. Here applying the second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square. S was 5, initial velocity was 0, so this term ut becomes 0 plus half into a into t square, that becomes 25. So from this 5, 5 it gets cancelled, we get 5. So our acceleration is 2 upon 5, that is 0.4 meter per second square. Now substituting this value 2 upon 5 of the acceleration in the first equation, that is v is equal to 2 upon 5 into 5, 5 and 5 get cancelled. So the velocity becomes 2 meter per second. So this is our answer. So I think you might have all understood this. So now I'm rubbing the board. We'll proceed with the next question. So the next question is, a car moving with 5 meter per second comes to rest in 5 seconds. Find the retardation or the negative acceleration and distance covered. So this is our question. So we are going to read the question once more, understand it, write the given things, and we'll find the result. A car moving with 5 meter per second. So the initial velocity is 5 meter per second, that is u, comes to rest, so the final velocity is 0. In time 5 seconds, so time is 5 seconds. Find the retardation, that is the negative acceleration, that is acceleration A, and the distance covered, that is s. So applying the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. So final velocity is 0, u is 5 plus a into 5. So minus 5 equal to a into 5, 5 and 5 is cancelled. So equal to minus 1 meter per second square. Here minus represents the retardation. So here is the retardation of 1 meter per second square. Now we have to find the distance. So the distance, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Final velocity is 0, so v 0 square equal to initial velocity, that is 5 square plus 2 into minus 1 into s. So it becomes 2s is equal to 25. So s is equal to 25 upon 2. So it becomes 12.5 meter. So this is our distance. This is the distance covered by the body. So here we are going to understand the question once more. U initial velocity was 5 meter per second. V final velocity was 0. Time was 5 seconds. A is the acceleration that we have to find. S distance covered we have to find. Applying the first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. So final velocity is 0. So 0 is equal to initial velocity is 5 plus a into time, that is 5 seconds. So minus 5 is equal to a into 5 and 5 get cancelled. So a is equal to minus 1 meter per second square. So this is our retardation of 1 meter per second square. Minus sign shows that it is retardation, the body is slowing down and coming to rest. So now applying the third equation of motion, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Substituting the values, u final velocity is 0, so 0 square is equal to initial velocity, that is 5 square plus 2 into minus 1, that is our acceleration retardation, into s that is the distance covered that we have to find. So 2s is equal to 25, s is equal to 25 upon 2. So after simplification it becomes 12.5 meters. So this is our answer. I think you might have all understood this. So please watch this video till the end, subscribe me and press the bell icon. Thank you.